This video is on a rectangular coordinate system and graphing. So notice that our rectangular coordinate system is split up by two axes: our horizontal axis, which is our x-axis, our y-axis, which is our vertical axis. It gives us four quadrants: quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Where they intersect is your origin. The coordinates of your origin is 0, 0. Everything to the right of the origin is positive. Everything to the left of the origin is negative. Everything above the origin is positive, and everything below the origin is negative. In order to get into your first quadrant, you have to make two positive moves. Quadrant 2, you go negative and then positive. Quadrant 3, two negative moves. Quadrant 4, you go positive and then negative. The coordinates are set up by what we call ordered pairs. They're called ordered pairs because the order matters. X is first and then Y. X is your first component. Y is your second component. You always make your X move first, then your Y move, your horizontal move first, then your vertical move. You can think about running and then jumping or walking to go to an elevator and go down. Whatever way you like to think about it, X comes before Y in the alphabet. Your X move is first, which is horizontal. Y move is second, which is your vertical. If you took a few test points to show how to graph, you always start at your origin. If we look at the first point, which is 2, 5, you start your origin, go to the right 2, up 5. Those are two positive numbers, so that puts us in quadrant 1. -1, -4, I go to the left 1, down 4. Remember, always start at your origin for your ordered pairs. Go to the left 1, down 4. That will put us in quadrant 3. -5, +4. I will go to the left 5 and then up 4 from the origin. That puts me in quadrant 2. So you start at your origin, go to the left 5, up 4. For the fourth point, 1, -2. Start your origin once again, go to the right 1 for +1, then down 2 for -2, and that will be quadrant 4. 3, 0, I start at my origin, go to the right 3, and then I go nowhere for Y because Y is 0. And so that would leave me on the x-axis. I would not be in any quadrant because Y is 0, so I would be on the x-axis. Then for the point 0, 3, I would not move in left or right because my x component is 0. Then I would go up 3, and that would leave me on the y-axis. That's how you would graph your ordered pairs. One more thing in this section, determine whether the ordered pair is a solution. So they give us the equation 6x minus 5y equals 12, and they give us the ordered pair 2, 0. That means 2 is x because that's the first component, 0 is y because that's in the second component, and we plug them in accordingly. So since we have 6x minus 5y equals 12, that means we have 6 times 2 minus 5 times 0 equal to 12. And if that ends up being a true statement after we simplify it, then that means that is a solution. That ordered pair would be a solution. So 6 times 2 is 12, 5 times 0 is 0, 12 minus 0 is 12, so 12 is equal to 12. That means that 2, 0 is a solution of the ordered pair. And each equation has more than one ordered pair that is a solution. You have infinite amount of ordered pairs that are solutions for that equation. So 2, 0 is just one of them. The next one is 3, 1. 3 will be x, 1 will be y. Plug it in, that's 6 times 3 minus 5 times 1 equal to 12. 6 times 3 is 18, 5 times 1 is 5. 18 minus 5 is 13, and of course 13 is not equal to 12. So that means 3, 1 is not in order. So it's not a solution for 6x minus 5y equal to 12. Let me know if you have any questions.